So in this video what we are going to install is and configure on cloud, and we see the web interface. We are going to able to upload files to the on cloud page now. Mm. So to install the on cloud we need to execute first the command. This command install the necessary package that are needed, that are dependents on the cloud. It includes the budget to which the PHP language and the other language dependencies for database SMB's client, which is a Samba client. So these are the all the dependencies that we needed on the cloud. So the next thing, what I actually executed this command first, and then I have own cloud instance running right now. So I'm going to go through these commands. So the next command is installing the server. After executing this command, I actually went through the process of adding root password with this command. I created a database from home cloud, which we can see from here now. So the database are here. We can see that I have created a database which is deemed on the cloud DB. We can see over here. Uh, and other side, I have created a user, which is on cloud user, that will be logging in into the on cloud service in the database. So I did is this command is I am gonna execute the query to show you that the users, I have created a user on the OwnCloud, which is the OwnCloud user, which is used to log in into the web interface. After this command, the OwnCloud zip file was downloaded and unzip the file into the directory. Sudo server, we can verify from here. Here we can see that it was unzipped in this directory, which we have seen here. And this command are necessary for adding permissions for the current user to access these files. Current user to access these files. And both of these commands are used to access this directory. By the current user means that current user owns this directory. Yes mode means we can modify this directory. So this is for the permissions, and these are very necessary commands. If we don't execute this command, we won't be able to add or delete files from this directory. So the next thing that we did is we configured the OwnCloud web interface. What we did was we are going to add this bit of XML. We can say that or less on the cloud means that this is the URL, the address, internet address. So we are going to do is we are going to put this after the IP address of our machine, and this IP address is going to show this directory. So we can see here we have put the localhost on this iCloud on cloud. We can see that we are uh, redirected to the cloud page. So these are the files that exit in this directory. The one cloud directory that was created while installing the own cloud. So the next defines the victory. It allows the user to override the directory and other things. So other than that, there are necessary pullings. the Apache, the plugins that are required for OwnCloud. So this is the plugins. The plugin name the OwnCloud actually trap the is built, and this is the plugin. These are the plugins that are used by the own cloud. At last, but not least, we are going to restart because home cloud is deployed on the budget server. And the last thing that we need to do is we need to go to the web browser, and we put the localhost cloud, and we can see from here we can see that we are able to access the page on the OwnCloud server. Is So the installation, configuration, and the implementation of OneCloud server is the host machine that we are currently using.